Okay, let's talk about the AppSync now. So AppSync is a managed service that uses GraphQL in the backend. So anytime you see GraphQL, think AppSync. Okay, and GraphQL, what is it? Okay, well, it makes it easy for applications to get exactly the data they need. That includes if you want to combine data from one or more sources of data. So it could be NoSQL data store or relational database, HTTP APIs. Also has integrations with DynamoDB, Aurora, Elasticsearch, and others. And you can get data from custom sources using Lambda. The idea is that uh, being this data is actually going to be retrieved together and sent back to the clients. And the particularity of AppSync is that the data can be retrieved in real time with WebSocket or MQTT on WebSocket. So this real time aspect is very big in something that the exam would test you. For the mobile application, AppSync also gives you local data access and data synchronization. And just to get started, you need to upload one GraphQL schema, and of you would start from there. So, how does the AWS AppSync work? Well, you have AppSync in here, and your clients are accessing AppSync. Okay. Now, very important mobile apps, web apps, real-time dashboards, or even for the offline synchronizations. Within AppSync, you have GraphQL schemes and then resolvers, and these resolvers know how to get the data from the various sources of data. So it could be DynamoDB, Aurora, Elasticsearch service, Lambda, which leads to you pretty much any kind of source you want to. So that has been written anything, and this is public HTTP API at the bottom. Any kind of source you want, or HTTP would lead to public HTTP APIs. Finally, of course, you monitor AppSync with CloudWatch metrics and logs. So from an exam perspective, AppSync is going to be used whenever you see GraphQL, or whenever you need to have access to real-time data as well as an API. So that's it. I hope you liked this short lecture, and I will see you in the next one.